Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another nail art haul for you guys, and here we're starting off with some goodies from Amazon. Then I'm gonna move on over to goodies from Aliexpress, and lastly I'll be showing you some goodies from Shein. So here I got these really beautiful holographic just your standard basic butterflies, but they were a neon, and I love that because I don't think I had any neon in this type of particular style, so I definitely wanted to get my hands on that. And I loved how it also incorporated some water decals, and you guys will see here they are full cover ones that cover the entire nail, but you could always cut them out to your liking, and they have butterflies on them. And I thought that was such a cute add-on. I love when Amazon has great deals like this. You guys know I always am on the hunt when I choose to be, and I was just bored the other day and I'm like, you know what, let me go on Amazon and see if I find any good deals for you guys, and I absolutely did. So I will have everything linked down below. Make sure to check anything out if you're interested. It will be linked down below in the description. I know sometimes people ask, and I always want to remind you guys that everything will be linked down below in the description. But if I do forget something, of course, come down in the comments and let me know, and I will tag it down below for you, and along with in the description as well. So these are the decals that it brought. Super cute, your standard butterflies. And next we're moving on to another nice set that I purchased through Amazon, and I love that if you have the Prime it comes within 1 or 2 days. So this was definitely one of my favorites as well. It brings some tweezers, which you can never have enough of these tweezers. Then it comes with a box of these like paper cutout butterflies, and I love them because they're shimmery and they're like they have a combination of different colors and shapes of butterflies within them. And they do have these in Shein, but I love how they had the whole like box like this. These as well, you can purchase them on Shein, but I love how I had the whole box as well, and it was just such a great price. These are the wood, well, some people call them wood, but it's like the thin paper butterfly cutouts for nail art, and I absolutely love these. They're so beautiful. So you know, you can never have enough because literally in one set you'll waste so much, so it's always good to have backup, which is why I purchased them, and it was also an amazing price. Next we're moving on to these butterfly decals that I purchased through Amazon once again, and I was just running out on these. I was running low, so I definitely wanted to incorporate some more into my collection because this is just your like standard basic decal butterflies that I just need to have in my collection, because sometimes with any look it could go from plain to like a whole different level when you add these on, and I absolutely love incorporating them, which I have done in a lot of my nail tutorials. So yeah, I definitely just wanted to stock up on these. So here I'm just going to show you what they included. So next here we have some other stickers that are purchased through Amazon as well, and this was such a great deal. I don't remember exactly how much it cost, but I believe you get all these stickers for like $4 or $5, I'm not sure, and they're like the big sheets. So I definitely wanted to get my hands on some more fruits and vegetables and flowers and stuff, which is a combination of what everything here brings. And this one I thought was really cool and unique. It's like a marble along with some like diamonds and stuff. And here we have some black and white fruits and some other nice nail art stickers. So I was really happy to get these full-size sheets because usually these individually cost up to $5. So it was a great deal. You just can't go wrong with it. So next here we have some foils and some water decals, and I'm so excited to show you guys these foils because they're so different and beautiful. I really love them. I had never seen something like this, anyone showing them or using them, so I definitely wanted to get my hands on these. I did purchase them through Aliexpress, and so are the decals. They are from Aliexpress. I believe they're from the same seller because they came in the same packaging. So here I'm just going to briefly show you all the nail foils. They are nail foils. Okay, I'm sorry. I thought I was going to say the wrong thing, but here I'm just going to finish showing you the foils, and then I'm going to move on to the decals. And those decals are so cute because they are like fruits and stuff. I think they're fruits and sweets. But yeah, I hope you guys are enjoying this nail haul so far. Let me know down below in the comments what was your favorite item or items. And thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up to let me know that you enjoyed today's video. So next here we have these beautiful big rhinestones, and they're so nice and shiny, which is what I loved. I definitely plan on buying some more because I absolutely love the shine, and these are pointed back, and I love the size as well. I don't really own a big stones like this, so very beautiful and shiny. Absolutely love these. So nice. So here I'm just showing you the rest that I incorporated. I got the mixed one, but you can get just one color if you prefer. I just wanted a little bit of everything, so that's what I got. Next, we're moving on to these duster brushes that I absolutely love, and I had shown some of these in previous hauls, but I went back and ordered some more. So here I'm just going to briefly show you the ones that I ordered. I just love the detail and how beautiful they are, and they're very great quality. The brush, like the bristles are so soft and such great quality, and I love how it has like a little ombre to go along with the mermaid tail. Super cute. So now we're moving on to some items from Shein. Here I have some stickers that I'm going to be showing you guys. And then I'll be showing you another sticker that I purchased from Shein, along with a stamping plate. And that will be all for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate all your love and support, and thank you. And also welcome to all my new subscribers. I really appreciate everybody who supports my channel or my social media pages, along with my Etsy shop. Thank you guys so much. You're all so amazing, and none of this would be possible with each and every one of you. So it's definitely a blessing, and I'm truly grateful. So thank you guys so much. I'll see you guys in the next video.